Morning mga kabs, mga kabaga-kabago. It's sunny day today. So we are going to irrigate. Ito yung effluent pond namin. So during rainy days, isi-save namin yung or isi-store namin yung effluent, yung mga ihi, yung mga dumi galing sa shed, sa milking shed, dito namin i-store. Tapos during sunny days like today, we're going to irrigate it into the paddocks. So and we will going to use irrigator today. It's Monday. The kids are back to school. That's our irrigator line. So that's our Cobra irrigator. We're setting off the fence for tomorrow's break. And I want to show you the beautiful view that I have. Green grass of New Zealand. The grass grows well this time. Yay! Autumn vibes. Nice view of the autumn. Yay! The leaves turn into yellow. I like it. Let's check my husband in the other side. Oh, he's doing the lame cow. Good job, Daddy. Great job. Balot! Balot, Dad! As you can see, a while ago, he's carrying some tools because before using the tractor, he's doing some maintenance by checking the oil, the water, putting grease, and heaps of stuff, tightening bolts, and checking everything before using the tractor to make it safe to use. And that's the other thing to do before using the tractor, to get some silage for the feed out. Just going to get it from the other farm. So bye, Daddy. See you later. Take care. Let's do other farm work. It's going to return them into their mates. Escape. They're cute but very annoying ones. Go. They are called Speckle Park. But their colors very cute. Go girls, let's go to your mates. So while moving the calves, we meet each other again in the farm. Oh, that's Daddy. Ready to feed out the silage. That's our little cows. That's a yearling. 1 year old. So that's Daddy feeding out silage. That wagon carries around 5,000 kilograms of silage, having 30% of dry matter, so around 1,500 dry matter of silage to feed out our cows, around 470. Okay, it's time to go home and do some household chores. Laundry. The weather is good too. Labadami. Labadami ang show. Thanks everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.